guys, today we're doing lesson 10.2, and that is posting from a sales journal. So, yesterday you learned how to journalize in the sales journal. Today, what we're going to do is post sales on account to an accounts receivable ledger and a general ledger. This is very similar to what we learned in lesson 9.2. So we're starting with the sales journal, and we have to post first to the accounts receivable ledger or the subsidiary ledger. So just like with the accounts payable ledger, we're going to start by putting the date. Then the sales journal page number is going to be S11 for sales journal page 11. Then we are going to debit Wells Apartment. So you can see here Wells Apartment is the account that's debited, and we're looking in the accounts receivable column to see how much we're actually debiting. And so we are going to be debiting for $481.77. Then update the balance. So debit and a debit we add. So the updated balance would be $2,462.27. And then we would put the customer number back in the post reference column of the sales journal. Our next step is going to be to post from the sales journal to the general ledger. So before we can do that, we're going to total, prove, and rule the journal. So rule the single line, put the date, the word totals, put all the column totals, and then we're going to rule the double line. Once we're done that, we're going to be able to post to the general ledger. So just like before when we were posting from the purchases journal, you're just going to go line by line in the general ledger. So the first one is accounts receivable. That's going to be debited. Then sales is going to be credited. Then sales tax payable is credited. Then we're going to put the journal number, so S11 for sales journal 11. We're going to debit or credit depending on what the heading is under the account listed in the sales journal. So again, debit, credit, credit. Update the balances and then put the account numbers underneath in parentheses.